Hello YouTube, hi, this is Andrew, and I just want to show you something this happened to someone at work one time, and I just want to show you a little bit more on this. So if you ever seen your icon spacing out like this, and no matter what, you auto arrange icons, and you snap them back in place, it's still spaced out here. See the spacing? Okay, I'm going to show you how to fix this. It's kind of quick. It goes into the registry, and let's start this. So you want to go, well, you want to search for registry editor. I already have this on it because I already used it. But REG registry editor, open. You hit OK, and you're going to go look for the. Well, actually, I already had these all down here. You look for the H key current user, and what do you need to do beforehand? You need to export, save, backup, just in case. Hit all, save it on your desktop. I'll put it on desktop and call it backup. Save. There you go. There's your backup, just in case you mess anything up. That's going to take a few minutes. Okay, so now that backup's been made, what you need to do is you want to go to H key current user. Click down there. You want to look for a control panel. Control panel right here. Desktop and Windows metrics. So now what you're going to do is you're going to look for the icon spacing. Double click on it, and it's got to be 1125 or 1128, whichever one you prefer, but click that. And see how the vertical is 256, so change this to 1125. Okay. Alright. And you can close out and hit restart. I'll wait till that happens. I see everything's back to normal. Take it out and it just snaps back in place. Okay. Alright. Let me know how you like this video. Like and subscribe, and share anything in the comments. What you thought about this. Have a good day. And again, hope to hear from you soon.